Welcome back, Form B TV, Form B Finds, old school, new school. And we got all those channels, but I'm doing everything here because I don't feel like managing a whole bunch of YouTubes. But I want to do a quick what sold video. Today is May 3rd, so Sunday, May 3rd, and this is going to represent everything that sold from 25 April to 2 May. One of those funny weeks where, you know, the first was in the week and all that other good stuff or whatever. Got E here. That's my son. Just trying to teach him e-commerce, and so he could, just do his thing, put some money in his pocket or whatever, and and all that good stuff to go along with that. So without no further ado, this week's winner was eBay. Mercari took the trophy last week, but eBay came back strong this week, and let's get these out of here. So first was a pair of Paperbacks, sold for $155 and free shipping. And this was actually our first sale doing online arbitrage. So just chilling in the house, looking at different sites or whatever. Saw a good deal on some Paperbacks. Always do your research before you buy though. So that's the good thing with online arbitrage, that you get the style code and you can look through different sites like Go, StockX, eBay, and see if that purchase is going to be worth your money. So definitely, about a week? It took about a week or so. Yeah, so it took us to about a week, and like I said, so for 155, so 155, so that was a pretty good ROI because we got it for less than 100. All right, next is going to be a Canon Rebel EOS G2, and that's sold for $59 and free shipping. Got this from the thrift. Ooh, dirt cheap, probably like $5. When it was glass, it was in the glass case, but it was a 50% off day. So I got that for dirt cheap, and this was been sitting around the house for what, a couple months now.
Right, that camera that sold?
Yeah, it's been sitting around the house for about a couple months. I bought some batteries, tested it out, turned on, everything's good. This one like a 35mm camera, not a digital camera. And so I'm pretty sure, folks who are into that was going to buy it. I actually, when I posted it, sold it about 2 days. So definitely I'll stay on the lookout for that when I'm out sourcing. We have an Adidas soccer jersey, so for $15 and free shipping, and that's my bad. I normally charge shipping for those, but I'll probably put free shipping on this one because we've been holding on to that one for so long. I just wanted to kind of get it out of here. I probably paid like $2 for it, so let's just get it out of here, get some money, and keep going. Because those Adidas jerseys normally sell pretty fast, so I'm surprised that one didn't. I held on to it. We held on to it so long. Next is going to be Adidas full Breakaway sweatpants. That sold for $55. That was a Ross find, and that's when Ross was having that like super sale. And what they did, all their larger sizes, so like 2X to 4X, they were selling for like $4. So we picked up a few of those, and then these finally.
It looks like it.
All right, next we got FootJoy jacket, and that shows for $25 plus shipping. This one, where did I get it from? I got it from the thrift, so we got like a 2-hour thing. We go out, source 2 hours, and try to get back home. So I got it from the thrift, got back, and then when I wanted to go start cleaning up, I seen it had a stain on it. So I washed it once, the stain kind of came out a little bit, then I washed it again. So I pre-treated it and washed it again, and the stain came out pretty good. But when I listed it, I just listed it as, that issue, and just sold it. Those FootJoy jackets normally go for a little bit higher, but since it had an imperfection, I just made sure I just noted that inside of the pictures and the description on eBay, and it sold for $25 plus shipping. And then last but not least, we had a Tommy Bahama Polo, sold for $13 plus shipping. Come across these all the time. I know it used to be a real popular brand in kind of the resale community. I have a few of these shirts, and they're going pretty moderate speed. But like I said, we buy the Polo shirts and things of that nature just to kind of keep the store rolling and keep activity in the store. All right, so that's eBay. So moving on to Mercari. So the diesel long sleeve tee. This is out of the personal collection. Just had it for so long. I don't know why I bought it. Bought it a long time ago. And like I said, personal collection, and that's sold for $10 plus free shipping. So the Nintendo Wii. So this is our second Wii sale in the past 2 weeks. We had like 4 Wiis that's sitting around. Like, hey, I don't know. We should have been listed them, especially with everything that's going on. But As soon as we put the Wii on, it sold within within 30 minutes. So that was $45, and the buyer paid shipping for that through UPS. Next we had a Champion jacket, which is actually your find a few before the pandemic.
Yep.
So the Champion jacket that sold for $17 plus free shipping, and we'll put a picture of all these items somewhere in editing here. All right, last but not least, we got Poshmark, and 2 sales in one day. The first was a pair of Paperbacks that sold for $75. It was my personal pair. I don't wear them. I have 3 pair of Paperbacks. And 2 pair I just don't wear because I like the colorway, the one that I normally wear, and they broken in and everything. So sold this 75, and it sold within an hour of me listing them. So I'm trying to think, maybe I was listing them a little too low, but it's all good. Like I said, I wasn't wearing them. Let me get that money back and then use it for something else. And last sale for Poshmark was a pair of Gore-Tex Chuck Taylor that sold for $55.
Those are the boots, right?
Yep. So sold for $55, and that was a flood. I went to Ross one day, and I picked up 3 pair. So this is the second pair that sold. Still got 1 more pair that needs to go, but they were selling them for $25. So doubling your money, you can't be mad at that. You ain't gonna get that in no savings account. So that's what sold this week. I don't have a tally. I can do the tally. I don't have a tally for this week. In our local area, the thrift stores have opened back up, obviously with a bunch of stipulations as far as how many people could come in. They're not requiring masks, but the good thing with the thrift stores around here is that if you are wearing a mask, they're offering 30% off, and they're also offering 30% off to healthcare workers, police and firefighters and military people. So that's a good incentive to kind of get people to kind of play ball with that. I did go check it out just to see kind of what the changes are going to be, and in my opinion, some of the fun is kind of taken out of it with all the kind of logistics of standing in line. They got to count you in and all this other stuff, and then you got to follow the arrows or whatever. So I don't know how long that's going to last or whatnot. It's not an opinion piece, so I'm not going to give that. But I don't know how long that's going to last. But we are slowly opening back up, trying to get back to some normalcy here or whatnot. So let's hope y'all out there staying safe and doing what you need to do to protect yourself and your families or whatnot. So that's it for this week. We're gonna make a short video on a Sunday and get some content out there. So you got anything?
No.
So we are moving all our t-shirt and sneakers business. He's going to take over that exclusively once we get his accounts and everything kind of set up, and then so then he could actually talk on these videos. Yep. He just does a lot of the logistics as far as picture taking and things of that nature, but trying to iterate him into doing his own thing or whatever, where he gets to keep the profits and invest his profits and do all that good stuff or whatnot. So let's make sure each one teach one. Like, comment, subscribe, double salute, all that good stuff, and then hey, enjoy.
Be safe.
We out.
I had one bright light.
I did it, you could do it too. You need to